equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will need to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 2 screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. This is a good time to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with your soft cloth. A clean environment will help ensure the new battery fits properly. Now, you will see the battery itself. To remove it, locate the release tab on the battery. Press down on the tab while gently pulling the battery out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. After the new battery is installed, replace the battery cover. Align it properly and press down until it fits snugly. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the plastic. Once the screws are in place, give the vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's important to keep your Dyson looking its best. Now, plug the vacuum back into the power source and allow it to charge for a few hours before using it. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. In summary, replacing the battery in your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward process that can be completed with just a few tools. Regular maintenance, including battery replacement, will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are here to help you with no calls, no travel, making it as convenient as possible for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.